Good morning, all of you. Hope you all are well there in your homes. Today, we will discuss about Kerali Panchkarma, especially Swed Karma. I, Dr. Pankaj Katara, PG Department Panchkarma, welcome all of you in e-learning classes. Now, definition of Swedan Karma. The therapeutic procedure which relieves cold, pain, stiffness, heaviness, and produce softness and sweating is called Swedan Karma. As Charak described in सूत्रस्थान शीतशूल विपर में स्तंभ गौरव निग्रहे संजाते मार्दवे स्वेदे स्वेदनाथ विरति मृता. Now divisions or types of Swedankar. There are three major types of Swedankar. First one is Agni Swed or Anagni Swed, means direct heat or indirect heat. Ekang Swed or Sarvang Swed, means localized or generalized Swedan. स्निग्ध स्वेदन, रुक्ष स्वेदन और स्निग्ध रुक्ष स्वेदन. एंड लास्ट वन इज मृदु, मध्यम और प्रवर स्वेदन कर्म. These Swedan can be summarized into four major Swedan types. First one is Tap Swedan, second one is Upanaha Swedan, third one is Drava Swedan, fourth and last one is Usma Swedan. 13 types of Charak Swedan are included in these four types of Swedan. As you can see, the different types of Swedan can be summarized in four types of Swedan. As in Tap Swedan includes Jentak, Karsu, Kuti, Koop, and Hollag. And in Usma Swedan, Sankar, Prastar, Asmagna, Nadi, Kumbhi, Dhu. Upna Swedan is include only Upna Swed, and in Drav Swed there are two types, Parshik and Avagaha. Now indications of Swedanakam. Pratisaye च कासे च हिक्वा स्वास्वे अलाघवे कर्णमन्या शिरसूले स्वरभेदे गलग्रहे अर्धते एकांग सर्वांग पक्षाघाते विनामके कोष्ठ आनः विबंधेषु मूत्राघाते विजृंभके पार्श्वपृष्ठ कटिकक्षि संग्रहे गृध्रदेषु च मूत्रकृच्छे मैथुने च मुस्कयोर अंगमर्दके पादजानुर अंगा अर्ति संग्रहे श्वास वथाविपचय खल्लीमासेषु शीते च बेपथौ वातकंटके संकोचयाम शूलेषु स्तम्भगौरव सुप्तिषु सर्वांगेषु विकारेषु स्वेदनं हितम् उच्यते. These are the main indications of Swedan Karma: Pratishay, Kas, Hikka Swas, Ardit, सर्वांग पक्षाघात, पास पृष्ठ कटी कुक्षी संग्रह गद्रसी पाद जानु उरु जंगा अर्ति संकोच स्तंभ गौरम एसेट्रा. नाउ कॉन्ट्राइंडिकेशंस ऑफ स्वेदन कर्म. कषाय मध्य नित्यानां गर्भिण्या रक्तपित्तानां पित्तीनां सयातिसाराणां रुक्षाणां मधुमेहिनां विदग्धभ्रष्टभ्रघ्नानां विषमद्यविकारिणां श्रान्तानां नष्टसंज्ञानां स्थूलानां पित्तमेहिनां त्रसितां क्षुधितानां च क्रुद्धानां शोचितामपि कामिली उदरिणीनां च क्षतानाम् आड्यरोगिणां दुर्बल अतिविशुष्कानां चीर ओजसोनां तथा विषागतैमिरकाणां च न स्वेदम् अवतारयेत्. Specific indications for types of Swedan. Tap and Usma Swedan can be beneficial in Kaphaj Vikar. Upana Swed especially indicated for Vataj Vikar. Drav Swed is especially useful in Pitta Sansrashta Vat and Pitta Sansrashta Kapha. Anagneya Swed especially useful in Meda Kapha Brata Vayu. Now, prerequisites of Svedana Karma. The person who have going to perform Panchkarma, especially Svedana Karma, have to first apply talam on head of patient. The talam is the paste of amalka cooked in takra, cheerwala tel, and kachuradi churn, rasnadi churn, nimb amrutadi arendam, and rasnadi churnam are the main content of talam. Then abhyangam, especially on palm, sole, and on body. Karnapurnam with appropriate oil as indicated in different disease. Now, materials useful in Pindaswedan. In Snigdha type of Pindaswedan, the material needful or essentials are tilatil, karis, mas, kulath, amaladrabya, घृत, पांसु, तेल, mas, ayas, odan, and the indications of this type of Swedans is Bath Vikara. And in Rukch Pindusvedan, the needful or essential materials are Yav, Tusna, Valuka, Pasan, and this type of Svedan is useful in Vat Kapha Vikar or disorders. Now, Baluka Svedan Karma. Most economical and very effective. The Baluka Svedan is indications are in initial stage of joint disease and कफानुबंध वात व्याधि कफज ज्वर तमक श्वास कफ वातज कास etc. especially in Ambat and variant of Baluka Swed and Sandwich practiced. Now Buspinda Swedan. Indications of Buspind Swedans are Srutovika like Swaskas, effective especially in Pranavaya Srutas. Bus means bran of rice along with lasun, sigru, tuak and senda which found highly effective in Pranavaya Srutas. Now Churn Pind Swedan. The content for Churn Swedan or ingredients for potlis are Kolkulak Thadi Churn 250 gram, Satpuspa or Antham Soa 25 gram, Nisa or Kurkuma Longa 100 gram, Sandhav 50 gram, Tel 250 ml. Powders of various herb drug in single and combination can be used. Example, single drug Kulatha Churn in Pundasveda, combination Kulathadi Churn in Pindasveda. Indications for this Pakshagat and Avaranajanya Kapajvikar. Churn Pindasvedam indications. Kulath plus Kol plus Ajmoda plus Methika, highly effective in Kafaj Jwar. Kotam Chunkadi Churn Pindasveda and Kotam Kol Kulathadi Churn Pindasveda, especially for Kapha Vata conditions. Now, Kol Kulathadi Churn Pindasvedam. The ingredients for potlis are coal, the botanical name of coal is Gigifus jujuba, Kulath, Dolichos biflorus, Suradaru, Citrus deodara, Rasna, Alpinia galenga, Masa, Phaseolus mungo, Athasi, Linium eucystitium, Tilla, Sesam indicum, Custa Sosoria leppa, Vacha, Acorus calamus, Istava, Anthem soa, Yav, Horridium vulgare. These are the ingredients for Kolkulathadi churn Pindusvedam. And Kolkulathadi churn can be used in as Isnigdh or Ruksha Swed without oil. All drugs are Vat Kafar and having Ushnavira property, so very much useful in Vataj and Vat Kafar disorder. धान्य चूर्ण पिंड स्वेदन कर्म. धान्य चूर्ण पिंड स्वेदन कर्म and their ingredients for four pindas are arand beej, maas, methi ka, tila tel, sarsap, mudag or moong, kulath, sashtik sali, rice, and satpuspa, all 200 gram each. Sashtik sali for each potli are required. Indications of Dhanya Churna Pindaswed are Vata Vyadhi. Examples are low back pain, sciatica, osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, etc. Now Patra Pinda Swedan. Ingredients for four pindas are Nirgundi, what is Nigundu, Chincha, Tamarindus indicus, Arca, Calotropis gingendica, Arend, Ricinus communis, Karanj, Pongemia pinnata, Sigru, Moringa oleifera, Varun, Creteva nervella, Vasa adethoda, Vasica. These are the main contents for Patrapinda Svedana Karma. In continuation of Patrapinda Swed, the Jambir in 5 numbers, Narikel or Cocos nucifera, half, Methica or Tringonella funiculum, 100 gram, Satpuspa or Anthem soa, 100 gram, Til according to disease, 250 ml are required for Patrapind Svedam. Next one is Sashtik Sali Pind Swedan Karma. Preparations of decoction and pudding. The essential contents are bala root powder 12 pul or 500 gram, water 3 ardak or 8 liter, decoction 3 prust or 2 liter, cow's milk 1 and half prust or 1 liter, Sashtik Sali half prust or 500 gram for each potli. Now indications of Sashtik Sali Pind Swedan potli. Vat rog associate with Dhatuk Kshay like neurological disorder with wasting of muscles. Balvat or in cerebral palsy and muscle wasting. Pakshaghat, Vatarakt, shows lean and thin patient for nutrition their muscles. Now contraindications of cystic salipindusvedam are atisthula, atisthul or obesity, soup or edema, prameya or diabetes, kush or skin disease, and heart disease. In these types of disorder, cystic salipindusvedam cannot be performed. Duration of Swedan Karma treatment. It can be performed 7, 14, 21, or 28 days as per disease and diseased person. Next procedure is Annalep. Annalep is a type of Sweda process in which the whole body or any part of the body is made it prescribed by means of application of a kind of payas or pudding, especially prepared for purpose with navar variety of rice, milk and decoction of bala roots. Unlap is modified form of Sashtikasali Pind Swedan or Navarakiji. Precaution during unlap. Prepare anna on the same day. Do not reuse anna. Never apply on head. The massage should not be rough and hard so as to cause pain and discomfort. Greatest care should be taken not to allow the un on the body to get cool. Apply all before and after the therapy. So, for this lecture now, thank you. We will discuss more in this topic in next classes. Thank you, all of you.